This tutorial explores how you can modify assignment deadlines with differentiated release conditions in the Canvas LMS. Learners with a documented disability may require additional time to complete assignments. Canvas will allow you to set limits for your class and also allow you to differentiate dates for any students with a documented disability. So to do this, what you want to do is click on your course. From here, click on the assignments link. Click on the assignment that you would like to edit the due dates for. From here, click on the Edit button. You want to scroll down and make note of the due dates. Then you want to click on the Add button. Here you can choose the course that the student that you would like to assign a differentiated due date for. Here we will click on the new due date for our student. And then we will click on the Save button.